Hey YouTube, Ryan here, back with another video. Last night I did a bunch of catalog videos recently, and so now we're getting ready to do another vacuum video. This time with the Shark Vertex. This is not my vacuuming bar in the background noise. These two. See these two? Anyway, this is my roommate's vacuum. Roommate slash girlfriend. Well, roommate's girlfriend. She moved in since she's a roommate. This is her vacuum. And I tried it and it's actually pretty decent. Kind of warmed up to it. I'm not sure if this is one of their top of the line machines or close to top of the line. Hey. This is probably one of their top of the line machines. Or very close to it. It's definitely one of the higher end Sharks. And I'm getting ready to vacuum this room because you can see there's some pet stains. And this machine is going to take care of the job. I'm going to do another video of that after this. So instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to vacuum this room. So I'm just going to shut up and do it so that way. Here's the on-off switch. I haven't set the carpet. So, as with any carpet shampooing, before you shampoo the carpets, you got to vacuum. You got to vacuum your rug, your carpet first. Vacuum your carpet first to get rid of any hair, loose soil, so that way they don't end up in the nozzle of your shampooer, which can be hard to clean out, or impossible to clean out, depending on what model of shampooer is. So that's what we're doing with this. I need to keep my eye on the camera. So that way I'm actually recording the vacuum instead of going off kilter. I like the swivel neck action on this. It's very nimble. A lot more nimble than some of Shark's previous other lift-away machines, like the Navigator lift-away and the Rotator lift-away. Those models, the turn radius is not as tight as this. This is very tight. This is almost like Dyson ball tight, And let's take another mess I gotta clean. Well, that's a mess I'm gonna hit anyway. So I got a full solution tank, full water and carpet cleaning shampoo. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I hit this area too. It probably needs cleaned. Love how bright the light is. Put the shampooer into the room. I'm getting ready to clean. Turn this thing back on. Yeah, it's pretty cool that it has a headlight. And I also really like how it lifts the pile. It does seem to lift the pile really well, and I like that. And so this carpet is vacuumed. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry about that. A little bit of gas this morning. Sun's stopping the cord up. I'll show you how much dirt's in the kit in the dirt cup. That's also another only really, you know, major, I would say it's a design flaw of Sharks is their cyclone design. Kind of laughable to call it a cyclone. And here I am trying to wrap this cord up, trying to get it wrapped over around so that we actually hooks on. Yeah, the Shark has this weird little cyclone design on their machines. And it's supposed to give them no loss of suction. That's what they claim. No loss of suction. They're trying to compete with Dyson because that's Dyson's biggest claim to fame. Get out of that thing. What the hell is Oakley doing? So this is, like I said, one of their biggest flaws is their cyclone design. Now this is already picked up, which is good. But they got this big ass screen, sort of cup screen design. And I guess this is supposed to spin the dust around to help keep fine dust away. But what usually happens is end up getting in the filter, and there's a little clog in there. So I gotta clean that up. Clean that out. That's generally why I like machines that are dual cyclonic or multi-cyclonic. Because they're more efficient at filtering out dust than, say, Shark's design. But, like I said, this is not a bad vacuum. The Duo Clean roller works pretty well. Power fins seem to work well, though I like the traditional brush wheel design. I know, I'm old school. I'll do more videos on this. I'll show it in bare floor mode. I'll show the power lift away. I just wanted to vacuum this floor quick this carpet quick before I shampoo it. And so, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a shampooing video next.